girl, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing another Walmart. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, Hey girl, I'm Sonia, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Walmart try-on haul, and it is going to be another fall fashion. I literally just placed my order, and thanks to Walmart Plus, this is not sponsored, okay guys? I literally ordered this stuff yesterday and it already came, so I'm super excited to be trying all this stuff on for you guys. If you are into fall fashion, which I am, I wish I could turn the AC on right now, but it'd be like, it would be louder than me in your ears. And as always, before I start trying on things, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get into it. If you're new here, everything that I mention or try on in this video will be linked down in the description below this video. It's just gonna have like helpful shopping links for you guys. If I can find any promos in any of my try-ons, that will be down there as well. If you guys have any recommendations for any other shops that you'd like me to try on things from, let me know in the comments as well, and let the try-on marathon begin. First out of this bag is going to be a coat. And I know it sounds like there's no way we're gonna be wearing those. I feel like the weather changes in like a day, right? So we're gonna need a classic black coat for anything. You can put this over a nice gown. You can also put this over what I'm wearing right now, jeans and a fitted top. So let's try this on. It's got good weight to it too. The material's really nice. It feels super luxe and expensive, and I believe this coat was under $50. Oh, I love it. Okay, Walmart. This one is from a brand called Free Assembly, and if you don't know anything about this brand at Walmart, you need to check them out because they have all of the classic basics that you're going to need in your wardrobe that you can wear literally all year round. But all of their fall stuff, you guys better jump on it. If you like anything, you gotta jump on it or they're gonna sell out so quickly. Love this army green, olive green, whatever you want to call it. I love it. It's like not too dressy, but it's also not too casual. You know, like I feel like it just elevated my tank top and my jeans. You know what I mean? Doesn't this look way cuter? Okay, yeah. You know, since it is a size large, I might get away with looking like I have a waist, you know, like fluff it up a little bit, like, oh, okay, look at that. No? Okay, all right, forget it. Just didn't realize how much. I was like, oh my goodness. This is one that I'm really excited about. I saw one on TikTok that was like $70 or $80. I got it, and I'm gonna have to do a comparison video, but we're gonna stick to the rest of the clothes that I got from Walmart in this video. But make sure you guys follow me on TikTok as well if you have not already. This one, I believe was like $45, and believe it or not, it feels better. It's like more structured. It's got some shoulder pads, which does a great deal for us girls who don't have a waist. Me, hi. Hi. It's an oversized blazer. I got it in black too, so I can't wait to try it on in black. Okay. I look like I mean business. I look like I mean business. Yes, okay, all right, Walmart. I see what you're doing here. Walmart's trying to get me trouble in the streets, okay? Short shorts under here. Oh, girl, it's over. All I need is short shorts, a bandeau top, and some cowboy boots, and it's over, okay? Like, how freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh, I love even the little slits in the wrists. Not like that, YouTube, calm down. I have no ass, so. What are we looking at? I don't know, nothing. Girl, look how cute this is. This is freaking cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna wear this to the next HOA meeting. I look like I'm taking over, like I'm the president now. Sorry guys, no one told you, but it's me. Here's the next one. This is the same blazer, but in black. I really need to get a steamer. So cute. I can see it already. Okay, sorry, ADHD over here. Who knew? Walmart, stop it! So freaking cute. I don't care what you guys say. I know you guys are screaming too, right? This is freaking cute. So stinking cute. I can't wait to try on the shoes because I know I keep wearing the same sandals, but I've got shoes in here. Just hold tight, okay? Before we get into the shoes and the pants, I did want to try on a couple of these vests for you that I found. These were in the juniors department, and the only option I really had was an extra large, so I'm hoping that these fit me and they look cute, because they were cute in my head, but I don't know if they're gonna be cute on my body. So we'll find out. So for this, it looks like it's a little bit too big, just a tad too big. But it had so much potential to be super stinking cute. I also got a denim one, but I don't like it. I don't like this one. It looks so cute on the model, but maybe it's because if it was fitted, it'd be cuter, right? No. This has to go back. These are high-rise, wide-leg, faux leather trousers, and they're in the shade Chocolate Fudge. Can you guys see that? I always give them a little sniff test because sometimes faux leather can smell really funky, but this one doesn't really have a scent, so I'm happy about that. Well, now let's see how it looks on. Super cute. I know, can I hate something? Listen, I didn't like the vests, okay? I didn't like the vests. They're cute. I don't have a butt, I know. Okay, chocolate pants. Ow! Next up are going to be these, like, it looks like wax coated almost, or like leather jeans. I don't know, they look like, these almost look like wax coated jeans. It just says Melissa flare coated jeans, and I got them in a size 10. Sophia. Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm gonna start rolling my R's in these pants. All right. Yeah, don't call me Sonia anymore, call me Sophia. Oh, I love them. And they're a size 10, y'all. I'm looking snatched. Mom twerk approved. Next are going to be another pair of faux leather pants, except for these are cropped cargos, and I am wearing a size 10. Ugh, they're so cute. Look how, y'all, I had no intentions of keeping all of this stuff. Like, I'm gonna end up keeping it all. It looks so freaking cute. No. Yes. Oh my god, I need to get padded underwear. That's what I need to get in my next haul. I need to wear padded underwear because no bumpies back here. Okay, so I think this is gonna be a good time to try on these boots. Oh Lord. This is what they look like. They've got these really cool soles. They're lug style, so they're thick but not platformed. I love these pants. I think they're so hot. Okay, next up are gonna be satin cargo pants, large. Got them in a size large, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna regret it because they feel a little bit on the big side. Watch, they fit me perfectly. These would be super cute if they were the right size because they are too big for me. And for those of you who do have a big butt, they do have like the scrunch in the back, so it kind of like hugs the small of your back so it fits properly, and that's a plus. These are super lightweight and they feel so nice. These are true to size, so make sure you guys don't go up. Okay, and last but certainly not least is going to be my accessories. I'm gonna give you a close-up look of these guys. I wore them earlier in this haul, but I love them. Already I feel like these are my favorite because of the really cute detailing and they're really comfortable. I do love these. I have them both. Let me show you guys. And then we have the black on this side. Okay, so that's what it looks like with a boot on. Just curious to see how it would look on my leg without my pants. And as you can see, there is some room here. So if you have larger calves, I'd say that this would be amazing for you. Here are the tan boots. Don't we love them? Cute little bag. How cute is this? This kind of reminds me of Dooney and Burke without the price tag. And they come in a few different shade variations. There's tons of room, and it also comes with a shoulder strap. And this was just under $20. And that's it for today's video. If you guys liked what you saw and have not subscribed yet, please consider doing that now. If you do like fashion and shopping, hey girl, follow me on LTK because I have a lot of exclusive content over there as well. It's really easy too because anything that you like, you don't have to ask for links. You just click on it and all the links are there. And as always, take care and I hope to see you in the next one.